Assalamualaikum. Welcome to 10th class social. Myself Reshma Sultana, teacher of United Public School Tandu. In the last session, I have completed about the Himalayas. I told you the landmass is divided into 6 and I completed the about Himalayas. I hope you all understood that. And in this video, I am going to explain you about Indo-Gangetic Plain. Okay. This is the second one in the relief in the landmass divided into 6. And second one is Indo-Gangetic Plain. Okay. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of Indo-Gangetic Plain. This is the name of the plain. I means not aeroplane. This is a plain that is Indo-Gangetic Plain is also known as Indus-Ganga Plain. Okay, we can also tell as Indus-Ganga Plain. Indo-Gangetic Plain is also known as Indus-Ganga Plain. Okay, let's see here. We will start this. The Indo-Gangetic Plain. The interaction of the three Himalayan rivers Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra and their tributaries resulted in the formation of Great Northern Plains. How many of the three Himalayan rivers? Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra are the tributaries which result in the formation of Great Northern Plains. In the beginning, about 20 million years ago, at what time they are telling? About 20 million years ago, it was a shallow basin that was gradually filled with varied alluvial soil that these rivers brought from the Himalayas. Okay, the Indo-Gangetic Plains broadly consists of three divisions. The Indo-Gangetic Plain broadly consists of three divisions. What are they? The western part, the central part and the eastern part. There are three divisions in the Indo-Gangetic Plain. First one is the western part, the second one is the central part and the third one is the eastern part. Okay, you have to keep in mind that Indo-Gangetic Plain broadly consists of three divisions. The first one is the western part, the second one is the central part and the third one is the eastern part. Okay, let's see here. The western part was formed by the Indus and its tributaries, the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas and the Satluj flowing from the Himalayas. From where they are flowing? From the Himalayas. These are the names which flow from the Himalayas. Which of the Indus river basins located in Pakistan, leaving minor portion of Punjab and Haryana plains in India? Okay, in India which places? Punjab and Haryana. In this region, the dope features dominate the fertile land between these two rivers. Okay, let's see in the picture where is the Gangetic Plain. Here in the center is the Gangetic Plain, the Himalayas and the central highlands. You can see in this picture. Okay, the central part is known as the Ganga Plain. It extends from the rivers Ghaggar to Teesta. Okay, the central plain. What is the central plain known as? Ganga Plain, and it extends from the rivers Ghaggar to Teesta. This part is mainly spread in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and partly in Haryana, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Where the rivers spread in which states? States of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and partly in Haryana means some of the part in Haryana, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Here the river Ganga, Yamuna and their tributaries Son, Kosi etc. drain. The eastern part of the plain consists mostly in Brahmaputra valley of Assam and the river Brahmaputra is mainly responsible for its formation. Okay, the Himalayan rivers while flowing down deposits gravel and pebbles sediments in a narrow belt of 8 to 16 kilometers width found parallel to foothills of Shivalkis. What is the deposit gravel and pebbles sediments? It about 8 to 16 kilometers width. It is parallel to the hills of Shivalkis. This feature is known as Bhabar. What is the feature we call? The feature is known as Bhabar. Bhabar is a porous in nature. Small rivers and streams are marshy region called Terai. The region had thick forest and which variety of Terai zone has now been cleared and the used for agriculture operations. Fine alluvial plain regions are found towards the south of the Terai region. This is the name of the region Terai is the name of the region. In this region, most of the Terai zone has been cleared and used for agriculture. Most of the Terai region is used for agriculture, and fine alluvial plains regions are found towards the south of the Terai region. In the south Terai region south part, alluvial plain regions are found in south. Okay, this is the detail of the Indo-Gangetic plain. Once again I will repeat you, listen carefully. Indo-Gangetic plain is also known as Indus-Ganga plain. It is broadly consists in three divisions. The first one is the western part, the second one is the central part, and the third one is the eastern part. You can see in this picture also where is the Gangetic plain, and in the central part is known as also Ganga plain, and it's spread in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and partly in Haryana, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. And the river Ganga, Yamuna, and the tributaries Son, Kosin, etc. And the Himalayan rivers pebble sediments, and it's about 8 to 16 kilometers width, and it's parallel to foothills of Shivalkis. The feature is what we call it known as Babar, and the small river stream marshally called Terai. I told you what is Terai. It is the region. The region has thick forest and variety of wildlife, and the migration of India partition and the Terai zone is by now cleared and used for agriculture operation. I told you why we use the Terai region for agriculture purpose, and fine alluvial plain regions we found in towards of south of Terai region. Okay, this is the detail of Indo-Gangetic plain. I hope you all understood. If you have any doubt, they can contact me. I will clarify the doubt. Okay, now there is an assignment. See here. Assignment is fifth question. Indo-Gangetic plains have a high density of population. Find the reasons. Okay, this is your question. You have to write the assignment and send it to me. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.